Tiny home this time with a vibrant pink main concept, which is quite impressive. On the exterior of this tiny home, there is a small porch which functions apart from being an entrance and also as a place to relax to enjoy the view outside. In this video, I present several examples of the interiors that are identical to a vibrant pink exterior appearance like this. The interior of this tiny home is dominated by white on the exterior siding boards and a few bright pink accents. Even though the basic theme of this exterior of this tiny home is pink, we still need to adjust the interior to make it visually comfortable for a long period of time and minimize contrasting colors but still be in harmony with the exterior concept of this tiny home. In this tiny home, there are several small windows and an attic with a queen-size capacity. This lack of windows aims to ensure that residents' privacy is maintained but still get sufficient daylight during the day. Some of the cabinets here are built-in concept, and there are also several cabinets that hang on the walls above. This pink carpet gives the impression of being in harmony with the basic theme and minimize stains on the floor. These decorative items on the walls act as space sweeteners so that they don't seem stiff in this narrow space. Specifically, the kitchen area cabinets are made dark gray and semi-glossy to break the monotonous impression of the room, so the room looks more dynamic and clean. The small built-in dining table provides effectiveness in narrow space for convenience and flexibility in the user's daily activities. In this section, there are several examples of the kitchen interiors that still have the same theme on the exterior. The bathroom area is synonymous with a dirty place. Therefore, this tiny home bathroom is made luxurious in several elements. The part that make the bathroom luxurious are the sink, shower room, and bathtub. In my opinion, the luxurious impression of this tiny home bathroom is quite important because this place gets dirty easily, so it needs to be easy to maintain by choosing clean and luxurious material for certain elements. Even though this tiny home is quite feminine in terms of the dominant color choice, there are several elements that I think need to be combined, such as dark gray color elements and luxurious material in the bathroom. And with a design like this, with a vibrant pink color theme concept with a combination of luxury material composition in it, is it representative enough? What about your opinion? And please write in the comment column below. And thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and just look forward to our video in the next content. Bye bye.